Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing 15 copies of Oneus in its Time single album. Fun story, I unboxed a bunch and found out that I hadn't pressed record. It's one of those days today. So I'm really sorry about that, but I'll go through everything that's like been unboxed and stuff like that. So this was a MyMusictaste order. So I did get like a whole bunch of MyMusictaste cards. So we got a bunch of Lido, Hanwoo, only 2 Xion, a whole bunch of Raven, Konhee, and then Soho. So we got a pretty good mix. Xion and Hanwoo are the ones that we got barely any of. And with the pulls, I have no idea what the hand ones are. I do have a template for them, but I didn't remember it off by heart, so those are the ones we have. And then we have Hanwoo set, just one Konhee, Xion set, and then Raven set, and Lido set. We haven't got any Soho yet at all, which is great. We love that MyMusictaste. And in the posters, we just have like a Konhee. I'll go through those at the end since they're like quite big and a little bit fragile. So I'm just gonna go straight back into the unboxing like nothing's happened, as if I didn't spend all that time doing all of that stuff, you know. So these are actually so much bigger than I thought they'd be. Oh, to address this, I had a blood test. Sorry, I don't know how to cover it up or anything, so sorry if you don't like that sort of thing. They're like genuinely massive. I thought they'd be so much smaller. Okay. There's like a whole bunch of stuff in this album, like the CD and then like a sticker pack and stuff like that, but that's not something I need to sort with the group order. Oh yeah, these 15 albums are a group order. I did not buy them myself. I'm not rich. Please don't comment that. But yeah, they're a group order. And there's 2 photo cards and a postcard in here. And that's it. Oh, and the poster. And that's all I need to sort, so I won't be opening the other things. Sorry. If you want to see an unboxing, a really good one is from x15's. She's just really great. I recommend going to watch that one. Okay. I don't want to put this down on those photo cards. We have another Hanwoo, which is pretty good because he's really popular in my group order. We have this one, hand card, and then there's one more photo card in the album. And it's another Hanwoo. Moving on to another copy. Trying to be so careful with these posters because they're like really quite flimsy. Okay, so we have a Soho. Oh my god, we actually have his card now. Hang on, have I made a mistake here? This is not Soho, right? What is going on? Wait, whose card is this? This is a Soho card, right? But the template I'm looking at, it doesn't have this card on it. Am I being crazy? Am I crazy? So regarding this photo card, I'm an idiot. It was like right there on the template. The color was just different. I realized this during the video, but I'm just putting that here. I know I'm an idiot. I know the card's like right there. I'm really sorry. It was a mess. I was a mess this day. Yeah. Like, these are Soho's cards, right? Sorry, this is like, can you see that? you cannot. But like, these are completely different. What? Is the template wrong? Or is there an extra card? The fuck? This is Soho. This is my boy Soho, but like, what? Looks like there's an extra card, I guess. I'll work that out later. Watch this be completely like, watch me be stupid. Watch this. I don't already have it. No, oh my god. It's confused me. It's kind of like in Everglow when mymusictaste put like an extra card in for her. And we're all a bit confused, but like, has that happened again? I'm confused. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. I could just be stupid, but I don't think I am being. I got honey. Okay, we have this hand. And we have this raven, I'm fairly sure. Yes, we have this raven. And we have this raven. So they're coming in sets. But this card's really confused me. If we get like the full set, hopefully I'll be able to work it out, but watch it not be Soho and I'm just being stupid. I'm sorry if I'm getting like the wrong member. I'm fairly sure I know all the members. I'm gonna try my best to sort of get them all down. And we have this hand. We're not getting much in the hand, sort of. Okay, and we have another Hangun set. Some of these albums are a little bit damaged, which is great. Thank you, mymusictaste. See, now this is Soho, right? This is the same card. Like, I'm so confused. Then we have Xion. And we got a different hand card, finally. We have Xion. And then the hand card. Oh, I think no, it's not a different one. It was upside down. We have Raven. And where's the, was that 2 cards in that one? the same hand card. And then Xion and Xion. Xion's a big fan of me apparently. This Soho card is still, it's like, I don't really know what's going on. So we have pulled at least one of every member, kind of. Don't know about those Soho cards, but we're doing quite well, I think. We have 3 albums left, including this one. This is one I haven't actually had yet, so I think we should have the full member set now. Oh gosh. So we have this hand bun again. This Raven card. And this Xion. We love you, Xion. We're not complaining to see your face. Come on. I'm not being rough with these albums. It looks like I am, but I'm not. Because the plastic is being really annoying. These envelopes make me so nervous. I don't want to break any of them. Yeah, Conhees again. They're all stunning. This oh my god. This concept is stunning. I mean, all oneus concepts are stunning, but when we have baby boy Xion again. We have this hand card, and then I think this will be another Xion, since this, yeah, that's the theme right now. I just want another Soho, just to see what's going on. Like, what is the bad? See, I don't know. Crazy. That is Soho, isn't it? I'm not being crazy. I've looked on all the templates I've got, and I just can't see that particular card, no matter what member it is. But it is Soho. Going crazy. Oh yeah, this is the final album, and we got our Xion set as usual with this hand card. So those are the pulls. If anyone actually knows like what Xion card this, not Xion, Soho card, because I'm on Instagram. Take you to Instagram. I've been looking at this template here. Can you see that? Yeah. And it's like not there. Like, oh, it must be this card. See, I'm an idiot. The lighting was completely wrong. Wow. Okay. Ignore me. Actual hate myself. Okay, well, we just got 2 cards of completing a set and then 2 postcards of completing that set. I hate myself. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video.